Welcome back. It is now time for your answers to today's question. Now, if you remember correctly, this morning I issued you with one single question, and it was a question all about a tin of soup. So just to remind you before we go into the answer, I said to you that if you buy 4 tins of soup, you can use the tokens on the tins to go in and collect a new free tin of soup. And you can keep going every time you collect 4 tokens. I then asked you the question, and I said, if you go in and buy 64 tins of soup and you keep collecting as many free tins as you can, how many tins of soup will you end up with? Okay, now I'm going to show you the solution and the working out that goes with it. So, here we are. So when we start at the top, 64 tins will of course mean that you get 64 tokens. That's fair enough. Now those 64 tokens, because 4 tokens equals 1 free tin, that will leave you with 16 free tins. So you'll get another 16 free tins. Now of course, when you collect those 16 free tins, they will give you another 16 tokens, which means that those 16 tokens that you now collect will get you 4 free tins, because 4 tokens equals 1 tin. Now those 4 free tins that you've just collected will of course have tokens on, so you will have 4 new tokens, and 4 new tokens then equals another extra tin. Now that last tin, although it's got a token on it, of course you'll only have 1 token, so you won't be able to collect it. So let's have a look at this. We started off, we bought 64 tins. Then we collected another 16 free tins, so that's 80. Then we collected another 4, that's 84. And then finally we got another free one at the end, so that's 85. So you should have got the answer 85. So 85 tins in total when you only went in and bought 64. Now that's not bad going. Okay, so we hope you've had a good time with answering that question. And of course we are going to be back with you tomorrow with a very, very special number puzzle, and you're going to have to do this in your head. The only reason is, if you try and do it on a calculator, it will hurt. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. So until then, have a lovely evening, and we will see you tomorrow morning.